solve the ninth problem of the exercise 5.2. So the question is, prove that the function f given by f of x equal to mod x minus 1 comma x belongs to R is not differentiable at x equal to 1. So let us go ahead with this now. So here we know the condition that initially we assume that LHD is equals to RHD. If left hand derivative is equal to the right hand derivative, then the function is differentiable at that particular point. This we have discussed in the beginning. So now let us go for the left hand derivative LHD, which is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x minus h minus f of x divided by minus h divided by minus h. So this is left hand derivative, and he has clearly given at x equal to 1. That means here we will have to substitute x as 1. So now at x equal to 1, left hand derivative, which is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of 1 minus h. So here in place of x I am writing 1, then minus f of 1 divided by minus h. So this is left hand derivative. Let us simplify this now. LHD, which is equal to limit h tends to 0. What is f of 1 minus h now? So see here, f of x is equal to mod x minus 1. So this is f of x. Now we need f of 1 minus h. So now we need f of 1 minus h. That means in place of x we have to write 1 minus h in the RHS. So replace x by 1 minus h. So we get 1 minus h. In place of x I am writing 1 minus h. And then minus 1 at the end as it is. So this is nothing but f of 1 minus h. So let us write that down. It is mod 1 minus h, mod 1 minus h minus 1, then minus, what is f of 1 here? So now replace x by, so see here, f of 1. That means in place of x we have to write 1. So here we get mod 1 minus 1. This is f of 1 divided by minus h. So here plus 1 minus 1 get cancels. Plus 1 minus 1 get cancels. Here 1 minus 1 will be 0. So we get only mod minus h. What is mod minus h? It is plus h. So that I will write now. So here LHD, which is equal to limit h tends to 0. What is the value of this now? It is plus h. So it is h minus 0 divided by minus h. So see here, h minus 0 divided by minus h. So LHD, which is equal to limit h tends to 0, h minus 0 it is h by minus h will give us minus 1. So now limit of a constant is always a constant. LHD, which is equal to minus 1. So now we got the left hand derivative. Now we will have to go for the right hand derivative. If both are equal, then the function is differentiable at x equal to 1. If both are not equal, the function is not differentiable at x equal to 1. Now I will go for RHD. Now right hand derivative RHD, which is equal to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. See here, the definition is limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. So right hand derivative, which is equal to, now at x equal to 1. So in place of x I have to write 1 at x equal to 1. So right hand derivative, which is equal to limit h tends to 0, f of 1 plus h minus f of 1 divided by h. So now what is the value of f of 1 plus h and f of 1? That we will have to substitute. So here right hand derivative, this is equal to limit h tends to 0, f of 1 plus h. So here we will have to replace. So see here, f of 1 plus h. So compare these two now. In place of x we have 1 plus h. That means here in place of x I have to write 1 plus h. So 1 plus h minus 1. Again plus 1 and minus 1 get cancelled. We get mod h, that is nothing but h. So here mod 1 plus h minus 1 and then minus we need f of 1. In place of x I have to write 1. So we get mod 1 minus 1 here. So here mod 1 minus 1 divided by h. So here 1 minus 1 it is 0. Mod 0 it is 0. So here plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. We get only h. So right hand derivative, which is equal to limit h tends to 0, h minus 0 divided by h. So here RHD, which is equal to, what do we get now? Limit h tends to 0, h minus 0 it is h by h will give us 1. So limit of a constant is always a constant, RHD, which is equal to 1. So now see here, LHD is minus 1 whereas RHD is plus 1. This clearly shows that left hand derivative is not equal to the right hand derivative. Therefore the function is not differentiable at x equal to 1. That I have to write here. Here LHD is not equal to RHD. LHD is not equal to RHD. Therefore the function is not differentiable. The function is not differentiable at x equal to 1. So this is all about the 9th problem. So pause the video to note it down. Okay, let us solve the 10th problem of this particular exercise. Prove that the greatest integer function defined by f of x equal to greatest integer x, where x greater than 0 less than 3 is not differentiable at x equal to 1 and at x equal to 2. So I will be doing at x equal to 1. You will have to try for x equal to 2. Let us go ahead with the solution here. So here the given function, it is f of x, which is equal to greatest integer x. F of x equal to greatest integer x. Now I will go for left hand derivative, LHD. What is the definition of left hand derivative? Limit h tends to 0, f of x minus h minus f of x divided by minus h. So this is the definition of left hand derivative. So now I have to go for at x equal to 1. So now at x equal to 1, LHD, which is equal to limit h tends to 0, f of, so what do we get now? It is 1 minus h minus f of 1 divided by minus h. Now we have to substitute the values of f of 1 minus h and f of 1. So I will consider f of x here. So see here, f of x, which is equal to greatest integer x. Now we need f of 1 minus h. So now f of 1 minus h, which is equal to greatest integer 1 minus h. So now this number 1 minus h is always less than 1. For example, if you consider h as 0.1, so what is 1 minus h value now? 1 minus 0.1 will give us 0.9. So what is greatest integer 0.9 now? So greatest integer 0.9. So greatest integer meaning is it is always the rounding off to the lesser integer. So now greatest integer 0.9 will round it off to 0. Is that clear? Now greatest integer 1 minus h value, it is 0. This we will have to substitute here. So now LHD, which is equal to limit h tends to 0. So now what is f of 1 minus h? It is greatest integer 1 minus h. Greatest integer 1 minus h minus f of 1, it is greatest integer 1. Greatest integer 1 divided by minus h. Divided by minus h. So in the next step, we have to replace the value of greatest integer 1 minus h and greatest integer 1. What is the greatest integer 1 minus h? It is 0. That I will have to write here. Left hand derivative, which is equal to limit h tends to 0. H tends to 0. It is 0 minus greatest integer 1 is always 1. So 0 minus 1 divided by minus h. So LHD, which is equal to limit h tends to 0. Limit h tends to 0. 0 minus 1 is always minus 1. So minus 1 divided by minus h. So now if you apply the limit here, in case in the next step if you apply the limit, in the denominator we are going to have 0. So now that becomes minus 1 divided by 0. So anything divided by 0 is always infinity or not defined. So the value of this is going to be infinity or not defined. So LHD, which is equal to not defined. Because after applying the limit, we are going to have 0 in the denominator. So we should never have 0 in the denominator. So this is nothing but the left hand derivative. Now I will go for the right hand derivative. Now RHD, which is equal to, now right hand derivative, which is equal to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. So this is the right hand derivative. Again we have to consider at x equal to 1. At x equal to 1. So let us rewrite the right hand derivative here. So it is limit h tends to 0, f of 1 plus h minus f of 1 divided by h. So now we will have to simplify this. So let us simplify this. RHD, which is equal to limit h tends to 0. So f of 1 plus h. Now in place of x I have to write 1 plus h. That means it becomes greatest integer 1 plus h. Greatest integer 1 plus h minus greatest integer 1 divided by h. So here right hand derivative, which is equal to limit h tends to 0. So what is the value of greatest integer 1 plus h now? So 1 plus h term is always greater than 1. In case if you take h as 0.1, we get 1 plus 0.1 as 1.1. So greatest integer 1.1 is always 1. So see here, greatest integer 1 plus h is always 1. Remember this. If it is 1 minus h, it would have been 0. Now it is 1 plus h. So that means it is equal to 1. So I have to write 1 in place of greatest integer 1 plus h. 1 minus greatest integer 1 is always 1 divided by h. So RHD, which is equal to, so it becomes limit h tends to 0. 1 minus 1, it is 0 divided by h. So RHD, which is equal to, see here, 0 by anything is always 0. Limit of 0 is always 0. We get right hand derivative as 0. So this clearly shows that left hand derivative is not equal to the right hand derivative. Therefore the function is not differentiable at x equal to 1. The given function is greatest integer x. So now I have to write here LHD is not equal to RHD. LHD is not equal to RHD. Therefore Therefore, the function f of x, which is equal to greatest integer x, is not differentiable. At x equal to 1. Is not differentiable at x equal to 1. Now you have one more case, that is at x equal to 2. So that you will have to take it as homework. So pause the video to note it down.